क्वेश्चन ये है, द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट ऑफ एन आइटम इज 900 रुपीज, राइट? सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग cost rupees 900. Okay, then what? The manufacturer mark up the price his item 60%. तो ये इसकी CP हो गई. अब इसकी SP जो है वो है 900 इंटू 60%. तो कितना हुआ? 540. सो SP इज इक्वल टू 900 प्लस 540, 1440 रुपीज. ये इसकी SP हो गई. जो इसने सोल्ड किया किसको? He sold it to and sold at a discount of 10%. अब इसके ऊपर डिस्काउंट दिया तो नेट SP इज इक्वल टू या SP आफ्टर डिस्काउंट इज इक्वल टू 1000. कितना दिया? 10%. 1440 इंटू 10%, 144. So it is 1440 minus 144 becomes 3, 10, 6, 3, 13, 9, 2, 1. This is, the SP after discount. 1296 rupees is the SP after discount, right? So what if consumer buy 10 such items when GST is 10%? So there are 10 such items. There are 10 such items. So total SP is equal to 10 into 12,000. So 1296 becomes 12,960 rupees. This is right. This much is total SP. Up he is asking for when the rate of GST is 10%, then the GST paid by him on purchased is. So GST is equal to 10%. So net SP is equal to 12,960 bracket 1 minus 10 upon 100. Oh my god. He want how much GST he paid, na? So amount of GST we have to find. So amount of GST paid is equal to 12,960 into 10 upon 100. कितना हुआ? 1296 rupees. 1296 rupees उसने GST पे किया. GST paid is 1,296 rupees. So what is your answer? 1,296 rupees. Right? Here he gave 60% discount. The manufacturer gave 60% rose the price, then gave 10% discount. Then he purchased 10 such items, so cost is 12,960, and then GST is at the rate of 10%. It is 1,296 rupees he paid in all. Right? Is this optional question? No. Anyway, Orion. You have done this? Should I rub? What is second question?
She buys goods worth 7,000 from
Grocery shops.
Since she has a membership card, she gets a discount of 15% on 5,000. If GST is charged 18%, then total amount she has to pay for the goods.
Question number 2.
Goods worth 7,000.
Goods total goods cost is rupees 7,000, right?
Since she has membership card,
Okay, the discount
of 15%.
Discount percent is equal to 15%
On 5,000.
on 5,000 right, rupees on rupees 5,000, right?
If GST is paid 18%.
GST is 18%. Oh, GST is 18%. Fine. So what happened? Here is non-taxable amount, amount due to amount due to pay. First 2000 plus 5000. This 5000 she get 15% discount. So 5000 bracket 1 minus 15 upon 100, right? So it becomes 5000 into 85 upon 100. Two zeros cancel and it becomes how much? 0. 5 times 5 becomes 25, we get 2, and 5 times 8 becomes 40. 40 and 2, 42. 4250. So net amount paid to be paid. So total amount to be paid, that is total SP. Total SP is equal to 2000 plus 4250 becomes 6250, right? Now net SP is equal to 6250 bracket 1 plus 18 upon 100, right? It's 9 times 2 becomes 19 and 5 times 2 becomes 50. So it is 6250 into 59 upon 50, right? This 0 and this 0 is cancelled and it is 125, right? So 125 into 59, how much you get? 9 times 5 times 9 becomes 45. 45, you get 4 here. 9 times 2 becomes 18. 4, 22, 11 into 5 times 5 becomes 25, we get 2. 5 times 2 becomes 10, 2, 12, we get 1. 5 times 5, 1, 6. Okay, so 5, 7, 3, 7. So total net SP is 7,000. He paid amount is 7,375. What is it? What difference? $7,375, right? This is how we done, because there was discount only on 5,000 rupees, but she purchased purchased goods of costing 7,000 rupees, but she will get discount only on 5,000 rupees. So we divided it. 2,000 is excess. We have taken 5,000 break into 2,000 plus 5,000. On 5,000 we gave 15% discount and we get 4,250. that is added to 2000, that is 6250. Now we and GST is given you 18%. When we applied GST, then we get 7375. So net amount she has to pay including tax is 7375. You have done this. How you done that? Acha, very good. Should I rub? Do this question.